Hello, I'm Dr. Katherine Hanson, and I'm really excited to get started on our Ask the Doctor series. So, when I've been doing women's health presentations around the country, it becomes obvious that there's not always enough time to answer questions that people are asking. And so, what I've asked is that people submit their questions, and I have a whole pile of real questions that people are interested in hearing the answers to. And I'm excited to provide some evidence-based, credible answers to the questions that you are asking. Let's be really clear that this is not medical advice, it's for educational purposes, and you need to see your own healthcare provider for personal health information. But I am quite certain that as we dig into these answers, it will answer a lot of the questions that you may be having as well around your own health and advocacy and empowerment. And I'm really excited to get started on this series. So stay tuned.